Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Blue Christmas as recorded by Kelly Clarkson. This is not for the Elvis version. This was a song that I released a long time ago on the UkePlayAlongs channel. I've been going back and making the resources that I've been making in the recent years on a lot of my old videos. I'm trying to do one a week. It's going to take a while because there were over 300 or 400 songs made in those days with over 700 on the channel today. So with that, we're going to show you the chords you need to play the song on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, the chords you need to play the song on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming a little bit as well. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like this video, you can subscribe to my two YouTube channels, the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel, and third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, so on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, you'll need the C chord. You'll need the G7 chord, you'll need the F chord, you'll need the D7 chord, you'll need an F sharp diminished 7 chord, which you're in the perfect place after just playing D7 to do that. You play your D7 chord and then you add 2 fingers to it. That's your F sharp diminished 7 chord. Then you need a C7 chord, and the final chord is the B diminished 7 chord. So what you're going to do is put your first 2 fingers down on strings 4 and 2 at the first fret, and then other 2 fingers go down on the second fret, strings 3 and 1. It's really that same shape as the F sharp diminished earlier, if you want to think of it that way, but that's the B diminished 7 chord. And those are the chords you need to play Blue Christmas as recorded by Kelly Clarkson on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. On baritone DGBE ukulele, you'll need a C chord, the G7 chord, then the F chord. A lot of people struggle with the F chord early in their playing, so if you're early in your playing, this might help you. Take the first finger, turn it that way, point it at yourself. Cover strings 1 and 2 right above the metal first fret or in between this first box. Try to go in the middle of it for now. Yes, it is helpful to be close to the fret, but for now, if you can get anything, that's great. This can be one of the hardest ones to start with because you're fighting the nut, which keeps the strings above the fretboard, right? So pull against your fretboard like this. You're holding your ukulele securely, and this allows you to just pull against your headstock so that if you were going to let it go, it would fly up, right? Then add your thumb for some light support, and then add 2 fingers. That's your F chord. Then we've got the D7 chord, and the next chord is the F sharp diminished 7. And what's kind of fun is that it has the D7 shape in it, if you notice. But what we're going to do is move some fingers over. We're going to put fingers 1 and 2 on strings 4 and 2 at the first fret, and then bring down fingers 3 and 4 on the third and first strings. Then we have the C7 shape. You play the C chord, then add 2 fingers again to it. That same sort of feeling. And then we have kind of an easy one, a B diminished 7 chord, 2 fingers only at the first fret on strings 3 and 1. And those are the chords you need to play Blue Christmas by Kelly Clarkson on DGBE baritone ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. As for strumming, there was no ukulele used in the original version of this song, so therefore there's not one single right answer. There are 3 rules when it comes to strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady beat or a steady tempo. And third, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the style of the music. Now, just a couple ideas for you. It opens up with a rolled chord. You don't have all the strings of a guitar, so you could do it twice. Or you could play it once and then roll. And then what I hear pretty much for the rest of the song is a swung down, down, up, down, down, up, down. 3, 4. G7. Down, up, down, down, up, down. That would work really good for the whole song. All right, so with those chords and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Blue Christmas as recorded by Kelly Clarkson. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great holiday season, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.